Greetings, friends, and thank you for joining me today. Are you ready to grab the absolute best discount available on Hostinger? In this video, I am sharing the most effective way to secure an additional 20% off your purchase, an advantage you won't find with standard coupon codes that only provide 10%. Right here in the description box, you will find my verified referral code customized for every country, complete with local language instructions and pricing in your currency. Simply tap the link for your region and you will be taken straight to Hostinger's official homepage. From the main menu, select products and services to explore the full range of hosting solutions Hostinger offers, whether you need web hosting, cloud hosting, VPS, or specialized tools. My referral discount of 20% is valid on every plan without exception. Let me show you exactly how simple it is with a live example. We'll go with the popular self-hosted NA10 automation plan. On the plan selection screen, you'll notice four powerful tiers: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. Today I am choosing the reliable KVM2 package. Continue to the checkout page and watch as my exclusive 20% hosting discount is automatically deducted from the total. It's that straightforward. If this step-by-step walkthrough helped you maximize your savings, I truly appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe to stay updated with the latest money saving tips and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for your support. See you in the next one.